Hello boys and girls. Today is Wednesday and we are learning English grammar. This is the Journeys book, page 186. In our grammar lesson today, we are going to learn about adjectives that compare. Adjectives that compare. We already learned about adjectives and we said that adjectives are words that describe something like tall. Okay, it tells me about something. For example, the tree is tall, the boy is tall. Okay, but today we will not learn about the normal adjectives. Today we will learn about adjectives that compare. Add er to adjectives to compare to. Add est to compare more than to. So, tall, I need to add er, so it will be taller, 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 or tall, and then I will add est, tallest, 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 taller, tallest. For example, look at this picture. I have 3 kids, John, Meg, Abe. Now, John, if I will cover Meg and Abe. Let's talk about John, only John. John is only one person, right? Only one. So I can say John is, who can read? Tall. John is tall because I'm only talking about one boy. Now I am talking about how many kids do you see? 1, 2. There are 2 kids. Now, who is taller? John or Meg? Look. Who is taller? Who can reach the pencil? Meg. So if I'm talking about 2 people, I cannot say tall. I will say taller, taller. Meg is taller than John. Meg is taller than John. Than is very important when I am talking about 2 people or 2 things. I have to add the er and I have to write than. So Meg is taller than John because I'm talking about 2 people. So I will choose taller. Now I'm talking about 1, 2, 3. 3 people, 3 kids, not only 2, more than 2. More than 2. So again, I cannot use taller because I have 1, 2, 3. I have more than 2. In this case, I will add est, tallest. Abe, look at Abe. Abe is the tallest one, see? He is very tall. Abe is taller than Meg and also taller than John. So, Abe is the tallest. Goalie of all. When I say of all, it means I'm comparing more than 2. And I have to write the before the adjective. This is very important. Abe is the tallest. I cannot say Abe is tallest. I cannot say Abe is tallest. This is wrong. I have to write the. So if you see the, it means I am comparing more than one. I use est, tallest. est, I add est to tall, it becomes tallest. So again, if I'm talking only about one, I say tall. If I am comparing two, I say taller than. Taller, don't forget, than. Taller than. Let me write it clearly for you. Taller than is very important. Okay? And when I am comparing more than two, not two, more, 3 or 4 or 5, more than 2, I say tallest, but there is something very important, the tallest. Not only tallest, I have to say the tallest. It has to be before tallest. The tallest. Okay? So, let's read one more time the examples. Meg is taller than John, because I am comparing only Meg and John. I'm talking about two, Meg and John, two people. Okay? Here, Abe is the tallest goalie of all. Of all means he is the tallest than John and Meg at the same time. Okay? Now let's go to our reader's notebook, page 216. Circle the correct adjective to finish each sentence. Write the adjective. Number 1. Tim is dash than Max. Tim is taller or tallest than Max. We are talking only about two, Tim and Max, only two people. And I have than. Remember than? So, when I have than, is it ER or EST? Is it taller or tallest? Yes, it is taller. Number 2. Fred is the of them all. All. When I say all, it means not only two, all. All means a lot of people. It means everyone. And also I have the. So, taller or tallest? I have all and I have here the. Tallest. Number 3. Kathy is than Cam. I'm talking about two. Kathy and Cam, only two. And I have than. So I choose older or oldest. ER or EST. Yes, only two. It means only I add ER. I add only two letters.